Do you like your new toy? All right.
What up, bitches? It's time for Thanksgiving. It's turkey time. What up, bitches? I'm the turkey. Cranberry sauce.
This is on. Here's above 5. Let's go.
This castle is in unacceptable condition. Unacceptable.
How it feels to chew 5 gum.
And we use the
It is Wednesday, my dudes! Powerful.
It's the first time we've been back to Texas since our trip to Africa, and you may recall we went through a park in BOTSWANA.
It makes me feel like that.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the iBook Guy. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not Windows XP is obsolete. So this is a Glock 19.
Let's go!
Hi, my name is Shhiiiiiiiiiitttttttt and this is Strength Test, where I test the strength of different things. Today, rock.
I'm dead. Come here, you gotta see this.
G.I. Joe!
Yeah! We rule at setting up the chairs. 1.
1,